What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today we are here. We got the Monsterbass bag and the multi-species bag. It's now in a bag, apparently. Pretty dope. Let's get into it. Guys, stick around to the end. We're going to give some lures away. We always do that. So, I don't know which one's which. One's the multi-species bag and one's the Monsterbass bag. So, today we get luck of the draw. Boom. Alright. This looks like the multi-species bag. Alright. I like the Monsterbass Burger Me shirt. That is dope. Guys, we got the Monsterbass Championship, Big Bass Championship. Go ahead and get on over there. Check that out. Alright, we got the golden ticket, which is going to go into the giveaway. Got the American flag Monsterbass deal. We've seen that before. We got some Gambler Lures Go Fish. This one's called Bacon Rind. Fun little creature bait. Definitely going to be a lot of action. Ooh, that stinks. I'll give it 400 points for the stink factor. Patrick Siebel Hyperlastics. This is the Dart Spin. The Dart Spin. Gee, it's made by Jerry Garcia. Soft tough. Yeah, that's cool. That'll definitely catch fish. It looks like there's a spot for 3 of them, but there's only 2. It's a whole empty spot right there. Confused. Alright, the Kingfisher Freak. I know this is in Monsterbass, the Monsterbass box as well, or bag this month. Alright, I got, these look really cool. These are crickets by Big Bite Baits. They actually look really, really cool. Yeah, that's dope. Cricket. So that's great. That's from Big Bite Baits. Also some pink jig heads that work perfect with the cricket and perfect with this awesome little Moglo. The Moglo Stroller. From Bobby Garland. The tail on this is so weird. So weird. It's like a strange combination of paddle tail and like ribbon tail. Never seen it before. That'll slay some crappie though. Slay. And then we have one of my favorite baits that's also, I believe, in the regular bag. This frog right here is sick. This is the Blitz Buzz Frog. I'm definitely in love with this frog. I love that action when you can just run this through the pads. And then you could work it like a regular frog too, if you want. But these things are so much fun to just toss and wind. Alright, let's get into the Monsterbass bag. The bag box. Month of July, folks. Oh, I missed this. Those were in there too, I think. Got the same t-shirt, $6 special, guys. All you have to do is use code BURGERME at checkout. Again, this Big Bass Championship thing, another golden ticket. We're obviously going to give both of those away. Second American flag. It is the 4th of July, so I get why they did that. Alright, so we knew the Kingfisher was going to be in here. This is a different color. That one is sick. And then the Blitz Frog. is also in a different color. And I definitely dig this one. So we will give away one of those Blitz frogs, but it will not be this one. That's staying with me. Then we get the Bruiser Baits Bruiser Cruiser. Now both the Freak and the Bruiser Cruiser, those are both shallow diving crankbaits. Some Ned rig hooks. Gotta have some Ned rig hooks, especially when you get a nice little Ned rig. This would work well on a shaky head as well. This is the Twig in baby gill color by Z Bait Co. Speaking of Z Bait Co. Right there, nice little sticker from them characters. Then we have the 5-inch double tail skirted grub by Big Bite Baits. Holy moly, it's got a lot going on. Twin-tailed skirted grub. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Small enough candy right there. What do we got left? Monsterbass premium tungsten jig. That thing looks juicy as all hell. And then some more for the Ned rig. These are X-Zone Ned Zones. This is the green pumpkin blue flake color. Hot Ned rig. That's that. Let's give a few of these away. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got our giveaway situated. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, and leave a comment down below. One more thing. Usually I ask you to share this video. This time I'm going to ask you to share the other giveaway video. That giveaway video is linked in the description. Just go share that to any of your social medias and make sure you're entered in that giveaway as well. We will be announcing the winner to that giveaway on August 7th. So you have all the way up until August 7th. You could leave a comment on the video once a day if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. As many comments as you want. Every comment is an entry. Make sure you go over. You could win a trip on the Kraken charters with us. But make sure you listen. Make sure you listen, follow the rules to the giveaway as well. But yeah, thank you all very much. And to say thank you, we like to do little giveaways, especially when we get, baits from Monsterbass, because I want you guys to see what we have to offer as well. So we're giving away one of the Blitz frogs. I got one of the Bruiser Cruiser. This is the color you guys didn't see. One of each of these stickers. The Ned Zone pack. The Monsterbass jig, the tungsten jig. Kingfisher shallow diving crankbait. The Gambler Lures creature baits. Some 3/0 hooks, I believe. Doesn't even say. I'm guessing 3/0. And 2 of the golden tickets for you guys. So you have the chance to win. You just gotta pay attention. Monsterbass live every Thursday, so you have a chance to win with those numbers. So I'm gonna put these in one of these bags. There you go. You're all wrapped up. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Nation.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.